Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you a summery frozen dessert that's perfect for entertaining. It's going to be refined sugar-free, gluten-free, and it's going to have a probiotic boost because our main ingredient is a homemade yogurt cream cheese. We've already made a video to show you how to do your own homemade cream cheese using the Lavelli Pure Plus yogurt maker. We'll link that one below, so make sure you check it out. So today's frozen dessert is going to be a strawberry flavored semi-freddo that we're going to mix up using the Lavelli Vibe blender. So we'll start by making a topping that we'll put into the base of a loaf tin that I've just lined with some baking paper. That's going to become the top of our dessert once we present it later on. You could do all sorts of different toppings, different types of nuts or activated buckwheat even. Today I'm just going to do some roasted pistachios, some strawberries, and a little bit of honey. So I've got 3/4 of a cup of chopped and roasted pistachio nuts. I'm going to roughly chop up around 8 strawberries, and we'll use a couple of teaspoons of honey. All of that can go straight into a pan on low heat. Give it a mix around and let it melt down a little bit. Have it caramelize slightly, and then we can pour it straight into our tin. Pour your topping mix straight into the bottom of your prepared pan, and then you can leave it to cool just to the side while you get your cream cheese mix going. So this part's really simple. All of these ingredients can go straight into the blender jug together. We're going to blend it up on smoothie mode, and we'll use the tamp to help it all come together nicely. So we're going to start with 1 punnet of strawberries, which is about 250 grams. We'll take the ends off and just put them straight into the blender jug. Then we'll put in 3 cups of our homemade yogurt cream cheese. Then we'll go in with 2 bananas, 1/3 of a cup of honey, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Set the blender to smoothie mode and turn it down to a low to medium speed. Use the tamp to push everything down into the blades and blend it up until it's all nice and smooth and well combined. Once it's all mixed up and nice and creamy and smooth, you can pour it straight into the loaf tin. We'll get it into the freezer to set. This dessert is best served semi-frozen, so place it into the freezer for 4 to 6 hours. You can have it in there for longer, even overnight, but you'll want to get it out to defrost for around 30 minutes before you serve it. So here's one that we made beforehand. I'm going to get it out onto a platter and show you what it looks like. So here we have our strawberry cheesecake semi-freddo. It was so simple to make. It's full of fresh ingredients and it's packed with probiotics. It makes the perfect centerpiece dessert for your summer celebrations. Give it a go at home. Let us know what you think. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already to see more of our Lavelli Life recipes. Check out the blog post for this one for the full recipe and other tips and tricks. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this recipe, and we'll catch you again next week.